Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno for Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, to get started, you will need a SIM eject tool. I have one right over here. Now it comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And once you have it, simply pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. And from here you'll have space for one SD card and two different SIM cards. Now I only have one. There we go. And once you place them, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and then while holding it securely so it doesn't fall out, put it back into the device. There we go. And there's the pin for the SIM card. And as you can see, the SIM card is working, obviously, and let's look at the SD card in this case. It should be working just as well. And there's the SD card. So obviously both of them are working. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.